Hey, back at it. It's been a little while. Life's been busy, visiting friends and family a little bit, as much as I can during COVID, of course, just a little bit here and there. But back at it. So today, continuing stripping the frame down. So we're going to be removing the transmission cross member, remove the drive shaft, remove the shock absorbers, the front and rear, maybe take the front brakes off of the chassis. We want to take the bumper off of it. I don't want to take the steering box off yet because it's super handy for pushing in and out if I'd actually steer it. Yeah, and then hopefully in the next couple days or so, I'll get it outside and start sandblasting. So I'll keep going at it and I'll give you an update in another hour or two or something. Some of these bolts, these ones, a lot of them on that cross member are just seized too bad. Too rusty. I can't get them loose with the impact gun. Pliers and that just aren't coming loose. So I'm using the old fire wrench. Just gonna cut them off. And I do have a fire extinguisher close by, someplace, somewhere, I don't know. I got 3 or 4 in the shop just in case. Whenever cutting, make sure what you're cutting around isn't flammable. Nothing underneath it is flammable. No open gas containers anywhere in the shop. Wearing protective eye protection. Ever since I've had torches in the shop, I don't even mess with these old rusty bolts very long. Switching eye protection. I just cut it off. Get it out of the way. Come here. So I think I'm done for the night. I put about 4 to 5 hours in the shop. Everything tonight was mostly on the chassis. I removed the transmission cross member, which is in the pile over there. Removed the front bumper brackets, front shock absorbers, the rear shock absorbers. What else? Oh, the rear brakes. I took the rear brakes off of it. I don't need brakes in this condition. And generally just checking over the condition of the frame and where I need repairs and bending and stuff. Oh yes, there's a slight bend in the chassis down there I've straightened out. It looks like somebody put a hook underneath this side and pulled the truck out at one point in time. It didn't damage the metal, just kind of bent it downwards, so it was easy. I supported underneath and hammered from the top and straightened it out. Yeah, and what else did I do? Well, I cleaned up a bit. The front bumper, I don't know, it looks fairly straight there, but it's got a nasty ding in it there that I couldn't get out, and there's another one on top, so I think I'm gonna have to replace that. And recently, I picked up some more sheet metal, some new floors. A nice guy off the forums sold me some floors he wasn't using, so I'm gonna get back onto the cab a little bit more in the near future. But I would like to change it up. I'm a mechanic by trade, so the mechanical stuff is kind of fun, and that's easy for me to do. So anyways, that's it for tonight, and again, I won't get in here tomorrow night. It'll be another 2 nights before I get back in the shop, so I'll give you an update then. Bye.